today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple scalping strategy that will help you to make hundreds and thousands of dollars in very short periods of time. So step number one, what you have to do to come on your chart, and when you reach on your chart, go to the indicator windows. When you come on indicator windows, add some indicators. So on indicator windows, we have the main chart, and then we have the indicator window one. So we are going to use the indicator window one. On indicator window one, we are going to use the stochastic accelerator and then the moving average. So let me show you the settings of the stochastic and the moving average. So settings for the stochastic parameters: K period, we are going to use 1, D period, we are going to use 1, slowing, we are going to use 1, price field, we are going to apply it to close, stroke close, method, we are going to use exponential, then style, we are going to use mine 3 pixels color black, and then the signal, we are going to use 3 pixels color what? Color red. And then the levels, we're going to use 10, 50 and 90. After that, click done. Then we have to add indicator window 2, and that is moving average. Moving average parameters: period, we are going to use 1, shift 0, method, simple, apply to close, style, we are going to use 3 pixels, and then the color, we put any kind of the color what we need, and then levels we leave at default, then the time frame we leave at all the time. So after that, then we hit done. So at this moment we are in the chart, and this is the main chart. So this one is what is our indicator windows. What we see here in the blue, this is what is our moving average, and this we have what our stochastic accelerators. Here we have the level 50, and then we have the level 90, and here we have the level what? The level 10. When the moving average hit to the 90%, we have what to start looking for the sales, and when it reach what on 50, we take some partials, which means we are going to be taking 50% of our profits. And when the market hits to the what? To the 10%, and then we take what? We take all our 100% profit. Are you getting the point? So another thing, when it comes to taking the profit, we shall not consider the stochastic accelerator. I'm going to show you the way how we will be taking you some profits at very easy way. Sometimes it will help you to hit like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Are you getting the point? So here how the strategy moves. Step number 1, open the chart in minute 1. Step number 2, wait the moving average to hit whether the 90 degrees or the 10 degrees. When the market hits to the what? To the 90 degrees, what you have to do, come to your main chart. Come to your main chart. Are you getting the point? When you reach on the main chart, what you have to do, to wait to see that now the market it have hit on what? On 90 degrees. Are you getting the point? The average, moving average, it have hit on the 90 degrees. That's so that the market it have what? It have overbought, which means we are looking for the reversal so that we can take the market down. So what we have to do here, when the market do that, we have to find the higher highs and higher lows in the market. When we identify those high highs and higher lows in the market, what we have to do to get our horizontal tool, and then we draw exactly where the high ends and the higher high, where the high low ended. Are you getting the point? For instance, now we have already knew that the market it have hit on what? The overbought side. So we have which means we are looking the reversal. What we have to do to draw our horizontal line here like that. So we have to wait the market come from here, rejects like this, and then breaks this break this zone. After the market breaks that zone, with the minute 1 close below of this zone, we execute, we take our sell. Where to put the stop loss? We put the stop loss above the candle which have a break our zone. Are you getting the point? If the first candle come break this zone little bit, and then the second candle close above like here, but which means we're going to use the second candle to execute. Are you getting the point? And where to put the stop loss? We put the stop loss to the to the second candle, the previous second candle here. That is our stop loss. Where to take the profit? What we have to do, we have to make 2 times of this from the execution to the stop loss. We make it 2 times, and then we make this distance from here, we make it 2 times. We calculate up to this side, which means if here we are risking $1 from our execution to take profit, we have to calculate $2. Are you getting the point? That is the only way how you can flip any kind of the amount you have to make hundreds and thousands of dollars. So let me show you the second examples of the buy process. Are you getting the point? So if you can look clearly around this area here, you can see that the market was hit at the 10% of the stochastic accelerator. Are you getting? When the moving average hit that, what do we have to do then? To do what? To draw the last lower high, because this was lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Are you getting the point? You can see it very well around this area. You can see it very well. This is one. It was our lower high. So we wait the minute one to close above, because we are now we see that the market, it is on oversold. We have to take the buy. We start moving the reversal. Are you getting the point? Which means we have been in a downtrend. Now the market will change. We start going up. So as well, you can see that the market, after minute one close above the entry we executed, we put exactly to that candle which have closed above. It is our stop loss, and then we make 2 times of from the entry to our stop loss. We make 2 times. You can see if you try to make these 2 times, this was this is our TP, and exactly the market have takes that. And you can see right now at the current the market now it is about to break to break this area. Exactly when the market breaks this area, you make sure to use this horizontal line like that. Exactly when the market breaks that area, you take your sell. Or if the market break around this side, are you getting the point? Then you take buy. Are you getting the point? That is how you can scalp. You can see it now is trying to break. Let it break, and then I take the sale. You see how you can flip that. Exactly, it is going to our side. Are you getting the point? You can see what I'm trying to tell you. Yes,